The Adamson Lady Falcons.
Founded off that
The Ateneo Lady Eagles. The De La Salle Lady Spikers. The NEU Lady Camaras. The UP Lady Maroons.
6-5 is the score of our call.
Lady Warriors.
And beat them with that offset.
The UST Tigresses. The NU Lady Bulldogs. This is the UAAP Season 75 Women's Volleyball Tournament.
After all of the hype and burning anticipation, the high-flying, power-spiking leading ladies of the UAAP are back in action as we present to you Season 75 of the UAAP's Volleyball Tournament. Opening day, live and exclusive at the Arena in San Juan here on Studio 23, brought to you by ABS-CBN Sports. In the first game today, the hosts, National University Lady Bulldogs, taking on the Adamson University Lady Falcons, while in the main event, the first runner-up of last season, Ateneo de Manila Lady Eagles takes on the Lady Tamaraos of Far Eastern University. Magandang hapon po and welcome to the coverage. My name is Eric Tiban.
The opening match of the women's division in the volleyball tournament of Your Diamond Season 75 UAAP. Now let's meet the protagonists for match number 1. Starting for this year's hosts, the National University Lady Bulldogs. Number 2, Ivy Perez. Number 16, team captain Dindin Santiago. Number 4, Mina Aganon. Number 8, Kai Nepomuceno. Number 1, Desiree Dadam. Number 11, Myla Pablo. The libero of the Lady Bulldogs is number 12, Chen Reyes. And head coach Francis Vicente. And now, starting for next season's UAAP hosts, Adamson Lady Falcons. Number 9, Faye Guevara. Number 1, Bips Pineda. Number 14, May Magatuno. Number 2, team captain Paul Soriano. Number 6, Amanda Villanueva. Number 5, Mayet Zapanta. Their libero is number 11, Princess Listana. And new head coach of the Lady Falcons, Sherwin Meneses.
Your Lady Falcons and your Lady Bulldogs are on the court today. Opening day of Season 75 of the UAAP's Volleyball Tournament. I like the new font. Yeah, we natin sa ating graphics, ha? As you can see, yung 6 of NU and 6 of Adamson on the floor. Not much has changed actually for either team except for the familiar names, some of them nawala. But the big addition, literally, para sa NU with Dindin Santiago on the floor, number 16.
Definitely Dindin Santiago. I'm sure it's not only Dindin who's really anticipating the CC75, but all the supporters of the NU Lady Bulldogs as well. Talagang I'm sure they cannot wait to see Dindin play in the court. And as you can see them on inside the court right now, NU Lady Bulldogs has height advantage over the Lady Falcons.
The incoming UAAP Season 76 hosts trying to gun for a tie for second place today here on the Adamson Lady Falcons. Number 9, Faye Guevara. Number 1, Bebs Pineda. Number 14, May Magatuno. Number 5, Mayet Zapanta. 15, Marlene Cortel. Their team captain number 2, Paul Soriano. And their libero number 11, Princess Listana. The head coach of the Lady Falcons, Sherwin Meneses. And now trying to stay alive for a Final Four berth here are the current hosts, the National University Lady Bulldogs. Number 1, Desiree Dadang. Number 2, Ivy Perez. Number 8, Kai Nepomuceno. Number 9, Aiko Urdas. Team captain number 16, Dindin Santiago. Number 11, Myla Pablo. Their libero number 12, Jen Reyes. And the head coach of the Lady Bulldogs, Francis Vicente.
The embattled National University Lady Bulldogs, and I say that because they do not, well, at this point they still have their fate in their hands, but at the same time they're up against very tough opponents starting today with Adamson, a team that they have not beaten this entire season. So, you know, it's a hump that they should overcome, they must overcome if they do plan to make it to the Final Four. Para naman sa Adamson, they want that twice speed advantage. I mean, that's a luxury in the UAAP and at this kind of level of volleyball play. And that is why a win here today is very important because that puts them very, very close to Ateneo.
Yun nga yung nangyari sa NU, no? So they need this game, but Adamson also equally, no, needing this game for that positioning. And yeah, if Adamson wins this one, almost sure because yung next game nila is just going to be against UP. So
nothing to take away from UP, pero obviously UP only 2 wins against UE, and chances are malaki ang chance na, you know, Adamson will go all the way.
That's right. So ito namang NU, of course, trying to hold on to your life, trying to get into that Final Four.
And they're not starting off on the proverbial right foot here today with a nice spike on the side of Adamson and poor coverage on the part of NU on the other side.
Well, you can really feel the immaturity of this NU squad. Towards the end, yung mga big games, yung pa yung nahihirapan sila to overcome. But remember, they are a strong team. When you ask me, very strong.
On paper, they are a solid team, but much more solid in their performance right now is Adamson. And for more about them, let's check in with Apple David.
In the first round, Adamson won over NU in a 5-set match. However, the Lady Falcons do not want another 5-setter in today's game. After Adamson won against FEU last Sunday, ibang-iba na ang aura ng team pagbalik sa practice. Lahat mas ganado at gustong makuha yung number 2 spot. Lahat sila mas energetic at aggressive, even the second six. Sabi nga nila, nandito na kami kaya dapat wag na namin pakawalan to. The Lady Falcons have worked so hard to be where they are now, and they credit that to Coach Sherwin, who consistently reminds them the do's and don'ts in the game. Also, they encourage the players to play their best in every game. Eric, I'll continue with more of my reports later.
Right now, let's check in with this timeout called by Coach Vicente.
Naasa nyo kayo dyan eh. Gusto nyo kagad pumalo, paano kayo makakapalo? Wala kayo receive. Tapos yung dalawa, nagtatago. Nagtuturuan kayo kung sino mag-receive. Pumungat kayo sa receive.
Tara.
Relax lang kasi kayo. Kayo natitensyon eh.
This is the kind of immaturity, Mosey, you were talking about. As you take a look at this fast serve, and it's been a series of fast serves actually brought to you by Shakey's Fun Family Pizza that NU has not been able to cover, and this is what you've been talking about. Inexperience in very pressure-packed situations, they fail to deliver.
You know, it's just receiving the ball. Diba? Napaka-simple. You've been doing this for many years, but it's really the focus and yung heart there. You cannot teach that. So it is something that they have to learn, and they will learn, especially in big games such as this one. Again, look at them. It's just being so out of focus. so out of the game at this point.
7-0. Set number 1. Obviously, it's still very early in this match. It's just set number 1, regardless of how well Adamson performs and how poor NU performs. It will always still be set number 1. Marami pang chances bumawi. Pero you don't want to start off this way.
You don't want to set the tone. Na ganito yung tone ng game mo. So, you know, Adamson will just pounce on that. Baka hindi ka makarecover. So, you want to cut that and get back to your game.
That point by National University may put them right back on track as Soriano misses. That's 2 straight points for National University. Adamson, such a, well, almost a fairy tale story for them, you know, especially for people who know how they've rebounded from nawala yung mga star players to building new star players. Nawala si Mami Dulce, Angela Benting. You know, other teams, other lesser teams may succumb to that kind of, I don't know, change ng manpower.
Problematic, diba, in their games. But not
Adamson, as Soriano knocks in a powerful little hit. 8-2 Adamson against National University in set number 1.
Usually nakikita with NU. Mas nakikita natin with DLSU. But with NU, hindi masyado. And now, Perez back in the game.
Guevara, nice job at the net. Marzan, the young sophomore, unable to predict where the ball's going to go. 1914 Adamson, let's listen to NU.
Nakikita mo ba yung center back player? Ikaw, nakikita mo ba yung spiker mo? At iniintindi mo kagad yung play mo. Gusto mo ilabas kita? Ang intindi mo muna yung first line of defense.
Bawi.
Naintindihan? Huwag mo problemahin yung papalo at yung mga papalo mo magaling. Itaas mo lang yung bola at sigurado papatok. Naintindihan? Pero, hindi natin pinigilan sa ibabaw ng net. Ano mangyayari sa atin? Score lang na. Dito ka na. Doon na si Mayet. Tumba na si Pau. Tatlo yung spiker mo, May. Pagkagatin mo lang si Pau. 5, pwede. C, pwede. Ready, Pau. Isang receive na lang tayo. Receive tayo. Hindi makakapalo yun pag walang receive. Okay, May. Diskarte, takbo. Pag sino pa lang receive, set sa open ng maayos, cover. Pagbalikan si Pau.
Pakinggan natin ang timeout ng NU.
Painan mo ha. Pumasok ka. Porsyento mo. Intindihan mo na yan. Okay? Intindihan. Depensa tayo ng maayos. Kaya natin yan ha. Wala na tayong substitution. Isa na lang ang substitution natin. Intindihan. Service mo. Huwag mong targetin yung libero. Tinatarget mo eh. Ha? Let's go. Pasok lang ang service ha. No mistake. Kaya natin yan. Kanina nakaya natin. Bakit kaya? Let's go. Natin na.